morning, Thursday. This is their first day of school. Wala kasi silang pasok yesterday. It's because our barangay's fiesta. So, fiesta is done. Back to school.
I puke. I suka.
Oh, bakit?
Did you just put this on my ID?
I will check on that later. Pero for now, tabi ko muna yan. Meron siya ano yan. Show your keychain mirror.
Mirror lang to.
Keychain yan, no? Kaya nga may ganon eh. May nasi, show it. Ayan. Na points namin sa ano. Nakuha niya reward sa time zone.
And I got the marker.
Marker. So, it's now time for school. So, focus kami sa school. Okay, kids. Let's all have a great week. Study your lesson very well. Oops. Say bye-bye ka muna.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Nakikita na yung mga classmates niya.